but there's one species of turtle I've never found, and today I just happened to stop by and I found just that turtle. Without further ado, I present to you the common snapping turtle. A baby common snapping turtle. Check that guy out, y'all. Look how cool that is. This is my first time ever finding a baby common snapping turtle, actually. Today was the last day I expected to find one too. But here we are. Incredible. It's like a little dinosaur. So cool. I already walked through those tunnels right there. I didn't find anything. That's usually where I find a lot of baby softshell turtles.